both of you?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 1, 2, start. OCOG.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Coconut.
Coconut. Yeah, coconut.
What is it? You know what, yeah.
Oh, that's horrendous. Oh, is it in order? Oh, no. What is it? What is it?
Taste it. Hey, Taylor, take one each. Take one each. Taste it together.
I can't even smell of anything.
Alright. On 3, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, right, okay. Pepper.
Is it?
I don't know what's it. Yeah, black pepper.
OCOG is black pepper.
It's alright.
Also, with the chicken.
Imi.
You guys ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, soggy.
Boogie. Yeah, same thing.
It's the same thing, we should be allowed that.
Yeah, same thing.
I've done the
Oh, you said boogie. What? Oh, you said it was a Greek thing.
Because it wasn't.
I know, but I don't want to taste boogie. Oh, Jesus Christ is Lord. Oh, God. Do I have to digest it?
swallow a shot. Guys.
1, 2.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is it something? Swallow? Tell me swallow? I don't know, like Gary.
Get the number.
The other people answer. It was N.
I have no idea. Oh, this doesn't look good. It's brown. I'm not sure. Yeah. What's the answer? What's the answer?
Taste it first.
Oh, for God's sake. This is like torture. It looks like bronze, metal, maybe.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
I don't like it, but.
It tastes like brick. Like,
Yeah.
Brick tastes like
mud. Is it, what is it?
Dirt.
Yeah. No one's. $20. So we're gonna have to taste snake. What?
3. Count of 3. 3.
Oh wow, she did this under the cross.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Nasty.
Oh no! Oh no! Jeez, did not like this. Hey, yeah.